tell me about the pricing. Is it affordable for everyone?
We are focusing a quality product, a quality service, quality customer. Every alternative day you will find new technology, new updates.
This retail daddy bring out digital payment easiness or easy to use. How? So when we were talking, you were telling me about the dual sales panel.
Yes.
Could you just introduce our audience also
There is
to
a
it?
traditional sales panel is there. We are scanning with the barcode and adding the products. And another one sale panel is that you can see all the pictures.
And I hope you have bought features, special features for garment industry.
The garments industry people, they are an artist.
So now Retail Daddy has so many features and this is so unique in
Yes.
the billing software.
Exactly.
Now tell me about the pricing. Is it affordable for everyone?
To be frankly, Retail Daddy software is a little expensive
Okay.
because Retail Daddy for premium customers who handle genuine stores
Okay.
and they have some huge investment is there in the shop. So for those people, Retail Daddy is most adequate.
Okay.
Because we are focusing a quality product,
Yes.
a quality service, quality customer, like that. So that's the reason Retail Daddy is little expensive because that much service department is working, as I told you before. They will get dedicated service, unique features, everything they will get.
But then again, if you want a good product, you need to shell out for it.
Of course.
And you are, of course, getting such a high class quality of customer service, high class quality of all the features.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I think that makes sense.
Yes, of course.
It does.
Because in the Retail Daddy, there is that much of features are there. In each and every corner, we are studying, we are updating every day. Because if you watch our YouTube channel, Billing Software, every alternative day you will find new technology, new updates in
New
Retail Daddy
informations,
software.
yes.
In previous 6 years, 7 years, we completed ton of updates in Retail Daddy software.
Yes. And that comes with a cost.
Yes.
Yes, it does.
Actually, Retail Daddy, we RAINTECH we started. RAINTECH is the main our company name. RAINTECH we started on 2016, and we started with 2 employees.
Okay.
Currently, we have 100 plus employees
Wow. That's good.
on
Yes.
our office.
So now, Mr. SHIBIN, nowadays it's only about digital payments everywhere, right?
Yes, yes.
So how has RAINTECH technology or this Retail Daddy bring out digital payment easiness or easy to use? How?
We first of all focus on digital payment collection through third-party applications.
Okay.
But the problem I face in third-party application, there is a commission they have.
Yes.
2%, 3% each
Yes.
transaction they will take commissions. So that's the reason I focus on like Google Pay or Phone Pay technology, like UPI to UPI direct transfer technology.
Okay.
For example, you are a customer, you come to our shop or whatever it is, our Retail Daddy software, and you make the payment directly. It should come to the shop owner account instantly,
Instantly.
without any service charge. That's the reason. What technology is using Google Pay, what technology is using Paytm or Phone
Yes.
Pay, same technology implemented in Retail Daddy. If you are a shop owner, you can put your own UPI ID in Retail Daddy software, and the dynamic QR code will display in the secondary display. The customer, he can directly scan it.
Yes.
Then the customer, he can see the amount in the mobile itself.
Okay.
He can make the password and send the
Done.
payment. Instantly, you will get the payment
Okay.
without any service charge.
Oh, okay.
This beautiful technology we implemented.
And that means a lot of saving for the, retail businesses.
Yes, of course. And you know one more thing. If we are using the third party technology, I'm not taking anybody's name.
Yes.
They will take 2 or 3 days to get the money in our account.
Yes.
For example, you make the payment after 2 or 3 days only we will receive the payment.
Yes. That is a huge problem in the retail
Yes.
industry. Yes.
So that's everything we have removed in Retail Daddy. And Retail Daddy software, you can collect digital payment instantly.
Instantly. Wow. Okay. That that is again a very good feature.
Yes, of
Yes,
course.
it is. It is.
And in that customer display, we are providing customer display. There is a dynamic QR code is there. In the customer display itself, the customers can see all the products information, whatever he is purchasing.
Okay.
Detailed wise, what is a name, product name, whatever it is. And in multiple language we can display
Okay.
the customer display.
Okay.
And the total amount, how much discount he got, how much is tax amount, everything will come in the customer display. So the transparency is more better
Is higher. Yes.
with customer.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay. Great. Okay. So when we were talking, you were telling me about the dual sales panel.
yes.
Could you just introduce our audience also to it?
See, normally in traditional software, even if you search any software in India or global world, you will find only one sale panel and one invoice copy, such kind of things. But Retail Daddy, why I bring two sale panel means there is a traditional sales panel is there. We are scanning with the barcode and adding the products. And another one sale panel is that you can see all the pictures. For example, some people, they will touch in the picture, automatically it will come to the add to cart. Click on save button, automatically print is came out.
Okay.
That is the second sales panel we added.
Okay.
So this both sale panel will work simultaneously, and the accounts, reports, everything will go to the same pipeline, same report.
Okay. It's an expansive technology. Yes.
Beautiful
There's
technology
lot of- yes.
because it looks beautiful.
Lot of features.
Yes,
Lot of
and
features.
category wise, you can see, tick on each category.
Okay.
You will see all the category wise products. Just with your finger, you can manage your all
Yes.
sales.
And Mr. Shibin, one of the biggest industries in retail is garments.
Yes.
Right. So what? And I hope you have bought features, special features for garment industry.
Exactly.
Is it there?
Yes, of course. There is a lot of features are we implemented with Retail Daddy about garments business particularly.
Okay.
For example, textile industry.
Okay.
Textile industry, everybody know color and size. Of course, it is need.
Yes,
We already
yes.
provided that one, and we added some technology like the tagging, the price tag. For example, you are selling an expensive cloth, and you are putting a small sticker or handwritten. It will not give us that much value.
Yes. Yes.
So we design that much number of like barcode labels, and we implemented in Retail Daddy itself.
Okay.
You can choose any template and you can do barcode print or label print in Retail Daddy.
Okay.
And you can see there is a vertical shape tag is there, such kind of. Before in the previous days, there was stickers only was there.
Yes. Yes.
And we have that technology that you can directly print to the tag itself directly.
Okay. Okay.
That we added.
All right. So, I mean, if I have a garment shop
Yes.
and I get Retail Daddy, so what you mean to say is, according to my taste, the new trends, I can print out my barcodes.
Yes, of course. We added those technology also. Before for creating barcode printing, people was using bartender or such kind of software
Okay.
only for barcode printing.
Okay.
But all the bartender tools I purchased and added to Retail Daddy. You can design your own barcode as you wish. Maybe different size, multiple size of stickers, multiple size of tags,
Okay.
and the information inside the.
Is it pre-designed or I
Yes,
can design on
no,
my
we
own?
can design it again.
Okay.
Pre-designed template is there already.
Okay.
And we have our own design pattern also is there.
Okay.
And we implemented those things also, like QR code technology also we implemented with, which is not available in even bartender. We added even QR code technology also.
For the barcodes.
For barcode label design.
Okay. So
You can add
directly,
your QR
yes,
code, yes.
QR code. Okay. And directly get the thing bill.
Yes.
Yes.
We can just scan the QR code and
bill it.
compared to other normal 1D barcode stickers, 1D barcode, the QR code is more fast
Yes,
and more
definitely.
informative.
And more.
Because nowadays mostly commonly QR code is
Everything is digitalized because of QR
Digitalized.
codes anyway. That's a very good
that
feature.
kind
yes.
of beautiful technologies we added in Retail
I
Daddy.
can personalize my products
Of course.
because I can have my unique.
Yes. Why I do that technology means I have a connection with multiple different industry sectors like garments, supermarket, grocery. Like, for example, if you choose compared to other services, the garments industry people, they are an artist.
Yes, yes.
They will of course do multiple design, colors, and all,
Yes.
because the garment industry people, if they are not an artist, they cannot run the business. To
They
be
cannot,
frankly,
yes.
so in each size, each angle, they will look the beauty.
Yes.
The
Definitely.
garment people.
Definitely.
And we added that much things to garment industry, and now we have our large customer circle is garment industry.
Yes. Yes, definitely. Because today garments are the way expression
Yes,
of
of course.
people. Yes. And I understood that you have put in so much effort into every sector.
Yes, we have around 21 sectors, like garments industry, supermarket, grocery,
Groceries,
pet shop, and beauty shop,
Very
gift
motive,
shop.
yes.
Such kind of around 22 industries are there, major industries. Everywhere we worked very hard, and
Yes.
those industries, what are the features are required, that one by one we added in Retail
Yes.
Daddy software.
Yes, yes. So
And most important is that our people are there to ensure whether you understand those features or not.
things and all.
We have in our software, there is one evaluation team.
Okay.
For example, you purchase one software from us. Our team, they will do installation, training, hardware connectivity, everything is one part. Finally, one person will call you to evaluate you,
Okay.
whether you understand all those the technologies or not.
Yes. Okay. So that if I'm getting Retail Daddy, I'm able to fully utilize
Fully
it all.
utilize these things.
Yes.
Because,
Okay.
for example, even if you purchase Apple mobile phone,
Yeah.
maybe 10 or 15% features we are using,
Yes, definitely.
because nobody is giving
Nobody
the
knows
training
the
for
whole.
us.
Yes, yes.
But Retail Daddy, my concern is that people should use all the revolutionary technologies which is available in the world. And I am here, stands here, to bring all the international technologies to India and distribute to all Indian retailers, valuable premium retailers.
Yes.
That is my main concern.
Yes. So now, what I've understood from our discussion is that anyone sitting anywhere in the world,
Yes.
whatever age group they might be, will
Yes.
be able to very easily use Retail Daddy.
Of course, of course.
And you and your team are always there to guide them.
Of course, there is. I will give you an example. There is some aged peoples are there in India,
Yes.
with respect and regards. They are running the business, but the original owner, maybe he is working outside the state, outside the country. He may open a retail business for his father and mother or family. They will run it. And to teach them, it will take too much time.
Yes.
And I inform my people, take much time, but teach them.
Yes,
This is very important.
very important. Very,
Because in previous time, people they think that in India, such country, the QR code or such kind of payment technology, UPI payment is possible or no. But if you watch today market, even a street food supplier or whatever it is, even normal people in the roadside also, they are using digital payment technology.
Yes, they are. Yes.
Because they understand that, and they are able to send payment through Google Pay, whatever it is.
We have advanced
We have advanced.
thousandfold.
The thing is that we need to teach them. That's it.
Yes, definitely. And that makes everyone's life easier.
Yes.
Like you said, there are kids who must be investing the money.
Yeah.
They are sitting somewhere else. They are not able to handle it.
Yes.
Their parents, aged people, or someone who is not very well educated, they also have a very good access from your team
Exactly.
to understand and fully utilize the software.
Exactly. Because, to be frankly, why I take that much responsibility means the any business, for example, you started your business, it is your life turning point. If we break there, we happened some wrong thing there, the life is going to spoil, because that much of loan maybe we will
Huge
take.
investments,
That much huge investment is there.
time.
So my assurance is that I will inform to my I am normally informing to my team also. Keep better service for our people, because they don't want to get any trouble.
Yes, yes, yes.
Maybe you will take service charge or whatever it is, no issues, but give better service.
Yes, definitely.
For
Worth the
software.
money. Worth the money.
Yes,
Yes, true.
that's the way.
Yes, thank you.